Jessica Cora from Albania. I am part of Institute of Romani Culture in Albania, which is a Roma youth organization set 5 years ago. The aim of this organization is to assist the Roma students in their university study by career advisor and career counseling. Also to institutionalize the Romani culture and to advocate for the Roma access to public life, and to have good exchanges between Roma and non-Roma youth so they can collaborate with each other and why not interact with each other for the goodness and and to help the Roma community. We have an initiative about combating on anti-Gypsyism in the university system. It's about creating a curricula about intercultural dialogue and Romani culture in the master degrees for the students in the field of pedagogical, and we want this curricula to be accredited from the Ministry of Education and Sport and Institution of Curriculums in Albania, so that we can help the future teacher how they can behave and how they can help the Romani students to follow the education system and their studies. I started 8 years ago when I was in high school as a volunteer in one Roma settlement in my city in Durrës in Albania called Mishtula. I started with UNDP as a volunteer. I had this feeling of contributing to the Roma community and being a good example in my community. I met some other guys, boys and girls. We were in that time 7 or 8 persons who were in the university grade, and together as a Romani Corps of Volunteer have had the idea to create Institute of Romani Culture, IRCA. Someone who had influence on me. In fact, there are too many peoples, there are different individualities, but if you connect them, the 3 of them, then you create one ideology, and this is the ideology that I'm following up. One of them is the first lady that took me to and put me in the social movement of Roma, called Ledina Bushi. The second is my director, Bledar Taho, and the third one is my mother.